Welcome to the third SWEET Training Academy video. These videos provide brief overviews of tips, tricks, and information about US EPA's SWEET tool. In this video, we will cover some advanced tips for using SWEET in unexpected ways. Before watching this video, you may benefit from our earlier videos on the General Information and Landfills and Dump Sites tabs. Tip number 1. You can test the impact on emissions of any of the variables under waste generation and collection rates on the General Information tab by creating more than one SWEET workbook and keeping all other inputs constant. Tip number 2. Plastics. Thinking about plastic pollution and curious how your municipal policies can curb plastic pollution and affect greenhouse gas emissions? You can use SWEET to test the impacts of any of these policies, eliminating or reducing the consumption of the plastic, increasing recycling of the plastic, or increasing the collection of plastic waste and disposing that waste in the appropriate facilities. Tip number 3. Waste combustion. Waste combustion is set to the dirtiest defaults, but if your waste combustion facility has stringent emission controls, this may overestimate your emissions. Keep this in mind when looking at the results of your analysis. Tip number 4. Using SWEET, you can test the emission impacts of using collected biogas refined into renewable natural gas in waste collection vehicles. Tip number 5. Don't forget about the revising defaults. Most input tabs have some default entries. You can improve the accuracy of your emission estimates by entering the information specific to your municipality. Tip number 6. Unsure about what value to use as an input? Try bounding the results. Choose two values that reflect a likely minimum and maximum and run the SWEET model twice. This strategy can help you bound emissions between two possible results. For any further questions about SWEET, you can receive support from Biogas Toolkit at epa.gov or also by visiting globalmethane.org. After you finish this video, you might want to watch any of our previous videos about using SWEET.